Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn a new lesson. So in here we have sharing equally. But in order for us to understand our lesson, we have to know what are the meaning of these two words that we have. So we have here the word share, which means to distribute a part of a whole. Or we are going to take a part and put it into a particular group. We also have here the word equal. So what do we mean if we say equal? So it says here the same in number or amount, which means it should be balanced. So if we say sharing equally, then we are going to take a part of a whole and put it in a particular group equally for it to have the same amount of number. Now we have here some examples. So here we have a problem. First, let's read. Mark has 6 muffins. He has 3 friends. He gives each friend the same number of muffins in a bag. So, for example, we have here a plate of muffins, and we also have here 3 bags for each of Mark's friends. So we have here friend number 1, friend number 2, and friend number 3. Now we are going to put these muffins inside the bag equally. So first we have this muffin, put it here. Another muffin, we have 2, distribute it equally. So we get this and we put it here inside the bag. And another muffin for friend number 3. So they have 1 muffin each. Now we still have 3 muffins left. So we are going to distribute it again. So first we have here another muffin. You put it there for friend number 1. Another muffin for friend number 2. And the last muffin for friend number 3. Now if you try to see here, each friend will have, let's count. So friend number 1 will have 1, 2 muffins. Friend number 2, 1, 2 muffins. And friend number 3, we have 1 and 2 muffins. So sharing equally means that you are going to distribute all of the muffins in each bag equally. So each friend will have 2 muffins. So in here it says each friend gets 2 muffins. Another example we have here. Okay, let's read. Teacher has 8 books. Each student should get the same number of books. Now, teacher has 2 students only. Now, remember guys, the teacher has 8 books. So this is the object. And she has, or the teacher has, 2 students. And you are going, or the teacher will contribute the 8 books to his or her students. So his or her students only, he or she only has 2 students. So the question is, how many books does each student get? So we have here the teacher. So the teacher has 8 books. And this is for student number 1 and student number 2. So let's try to distribute equally. So first book, put it on student number 1. And then second book, student number 2. So we distribute, each student has 1 book. Another one, distribute it again. Okay, and that one there. So the teacher still has 4 books, and the teacher needs to distribute it again to the students. So we have here another one, distribute it to student number 1, and another book for student number 2. There's still 2 books. So distribute it again. for student number 1, and the last book is for student number 2. So in here we have for student number 1, 1, 2, 3, 4 books. And for student number 2, 1, 2, 3, 4 books. So you see, the teacher share the books to his or her students equally, having student number 1 4 books and student number 2 4 books as well. So the final answer will be each student gets 1, 2, 3, and 4. So 4 books. So that's it for our lesson for today. I am going to post some worksheets on our platform, and thank you for listening, student. Have a good day.